Hi, I'm Ted here, founder of Crokinole Canada. Today I'm going to show you how to mount your Crokinole board. We sell this Crokinole board mounting kit online and you can check it out. We'll provide it in the link below. So first thing you get in this kit is a shim, and the wooden shim will have little circle markings on it, and that's where you're going to drill the pilot holes. So you'll need a power drill and you'll need a bit that is thinner than the screws that are provided. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to drill through this shim. Alright, so we've got our holes drilled there. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to mount this little bracket facing upwards, and it's going to face upwards on the wall. So with the screws provided and a screwdriver, you're just going to screw it in to the pilot holes. And you also want to make markings on your wall as to where all the screws will go through. So make sure you find the stud on your wall, and then using a stud finder, and then using the shim pilot holes, mark with a pencil where each one of these screws will be positioned on the wall too. You'll see what I'm talking about in a couple seconds. Okay. Alright, so we're going to screw that in further, but for now that's what it'll look like. And then on your Crokinole board's going to go slide down into this right here, just like this. It's going to slide into it and sit on the wall. So what you do with the Crokinole board is you don't use a shim, you just drill in the screws, drill pilot holes first, and then use short enough screws. Don't use too long or go through the plane surface on your board, and just drill them in. Make sure it's level, and I would make markings first before you affix this. Okay, so let's go over to the wall. We'll mount this onto the wall, and we'll mount our Crokinole board. Alright, so let's mount this to the wall. So what I'm going to do first is make little markings, and then I'm going to drill pilot holes into the wall, into the stud that I found, and then affix these screws. Screw it in. Okay, I'll go grab the Crokinole board and put her on the wall. There you go. You might want to zoom in and take a look at that so people can see what it looks like. There it is on the wall. Okay. And that. Okay, so there you see the teeth. You just have to go like this. Make sure it's centered, and then put her up. And then let it slide down gently, and it will catch. Beautiful. So easy. So this kit is really cheap, and it's just an effective way to mount your Crokinole board, and you can get it from our website at crokinole.ca, and you can look under our accessories page to find the Crokinole board mounting kits. We also have L brackets, which will fit any type of board, and you don't risk going through the back of your board, the plane surface, when you're screwing the bracket in. So we also have L brackets that just hang out from here, which is a safer option. And we also have more expensive brackets, which are the same style as what you've seen here, but just more manufactured, all of metal, and you can check that out too. So yeah, thanks for watching. Enjoy Crokinole, and this is a great way to store your board. Storing your board up and down is safe. It doesn't warp your board. So putting it on your wall makes it easy to play. You can easily take it off and play it. Don't have to store it in a box or in a closet. Makes for great wall art. Thanks for watching. I'm Ted Fuller, founder of Crokinole Canada. You can visit us again at www.crokinole.ca.